In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to start affiliate marketing with no followers. This is for people who are at zero. You have no followers at all. Okay? By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to do. Don't worry, I got you. When I started affiliate marketing over 10 years ago, it was nearly impossible to do any kind of successful affiliate marketing without a huge following. But now, with the introduction of short form video, it allows anyone to reach virality and reach millions of people with one short video. And we need to take full advantage of this while it lasts. Okay? Here's what actually creates affiliate income. You need to connect the right people with the right solution. Okay? Affiliate marketing is simply promoting someone else's product and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. So when you join an affiliate program, you get a unique tracking link. You need to get people to click on that specific link, and anyone who buys through that link, you get a commission of that sale. You get a percentage. Choose a real problem, not just a popular topic. If you chase virality or chase, trends, what happens is a year from now, you might need to switch up your entire page just to bring traffic to a new offer. You need an offer that is not just here and there. You need one that matches something that's going to be a problem years from now. So the health, wealth, and love niches will always be a pain point because I guarantee you there will always be broke people. So, you need to prioritize recurring commissions if you can. One-time payouts will not bring you consistent 10K months like you want out of affiliate marketing. Here's why it matters. With just one sale, you can get reoccurring value. Imagine 5 years from now, still receiving commissions from someone that signed up this year. Understand how the offer tracks and pays. A lot of affiliate offers, especially Amazon affiliate, for instance, tracks for like a few hours. So you only have a few hours after that person clicks. And most people don't buy the first time they reach your website. You need an offer that will track days after, and ideally all the way after, right? So say someone clicks on the link today, anytime in the future where they buy the course or the whatever they're buying, you want credit for that sale. That's ideal. So you need to find your link once you sign up. You need to know the payout percentage, and you need to know the cookie duration. And then when you promote the offer and you're driving traffic, drive traffic to one specific link, not 10 different ones. My school group was built around recurring income and solves this problem, okay? When you refer other people to my group, you earn 50% commissions for the lifetime of those members. Drive them to one clear place with ongoing support, and make this your core offer. Here's why this is ideal when you have 0 followers. It acts as the product, the community, and the back-end system all in one. It is the best affiliate program in the world. You get a unique link, it's automatically tracked, and automatically paid out directly to you every single month. This removes the pressure of creating your own product. No customer service, no website, no inventory to handle, none of that. You just promote my course in my group and receive recurring commissions. If you're still with me in this video, I need your help. Help me blow up on YouTube by watching this video 100 times. Like this video, share it with somebody else, and comment your income goals below. And if you're ready to get started, click the link in the description to join my group and start earning recurring commissions. Let's make some money.